Good morning. Have you ever wondered if your breakfast is truly helping you start the day strong? For many seniors, that first meal, toast, cereal, or a quick pastry, seems harmless, a comfortable routine. But what if those familiar foods are quietly working against your energy, your independence, and your confidence? What if they are the hidden reason you feel a step slower? Today, we're going to uncover how your breakfast choices could be directly affecting your circulation, your muscle strength, and the way you feel in your body every single day. Imagine sitting down to eat, believing you're making a healthy choice, only to feel sluggish and heavy an hour later. That feeling of your legs being weighed down, or a mind that feels foggy, these are not just inevitable signs of aging. They are often urgent signals that your body is struggling with poor blood flow, a problem that can frequently be traced right back to what's on your breakfast plate. Every morning, countless senior men reach for the same breakfast: white toast, sugary cereals, a glass of juice. But many of these so-called healthy options are loaded with refined carbs and hidden sugars that cause inflammation. Think of it like rust forming inside your body's pipes. These choices can stiffen your arteries, reduce vital blood flow, and make your muscles feel weak. Over time, this process silently robs you of the energy and confidence you deserve. You might think a bowl of cereal is an innocent start to the day, but these foods can quietly undermine your entire circulatory system. When blood flow is compromised, the result is profound. Less oxygen reaches your muscles. This leads directly to more fatigue and a gradual loss of the strength that keeps you active and independent. It's not just about what you eat, it's about how those foods instruct your body to behave. When your arteries become stiff, your legs can feel heavy, and your steps less steady. This is not an inevitable fate you must accept. It's a clear warning sign that your body is asking for better fuel and fundamental support. If you've noticed tingling, numbness, or cramping in your feet, especially at night, pay attention. If your hands and feet always feel cold, or if climbing stairs feels much harder than it used to, your breakfast could be a major part of the problem. These are direct signals that your circulation is struggling. Most men assume these changes are just an unavoidable part of getting older. But while age is a factor, it is not a life sentence for poor health. The real culprit could be right there on your breakfast plate, disguised as a healthy meal. It's time to look deeper and make choices that truly support your health. I'm Dr. Catherine Rocker. For over 20 years, my passion has been helping men reclaim their strength, energy, and confidence. I don't believe in temporary fixes or masking symptoms. My approach is to address the root causes. I believe in natural, science-backed solutions that empower your body to heal itself from the inside out. I've met thousands of men who felt their best days were behind them. But for so many, the answer was surprisingly simple. And it started with breakfast. By changing just that one meal, they began to feel stronger, more energetic, and more confident in their bodies, able to do the things they love again. Your body is designed to heal and thrive, but it needs the right nutrients to do so. Prescription pills can mask symptoms, but real health comes from nourishing your body with foods that support circulation and reduce inflammation. Today, I'll reveal 5 simple breakfast foods that can boost your circulation, strengthen your muscles, and restore your confidence without side effects. These are proven natural choices that work gently with your body's own healing mechanisms to produce effective, noticeable results. Some of these powerful foods might already be in your kitchen. And the best part? Many men report noticing a tangible difference in just a few days. More energy in the afternoon, lighter steps, and a renewed sense of vitality. Stay with me as we explore what these foods are, how to use them, and how they can transform your mornings and your health. I'll break down the science in simple terms and give you practical tips you can start using tomorrow. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip on senior health. If this message resonates with you, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. Your feedback helps me create content that truly serves you and our community. Let's get started. Let's kick off with the first breakfast food that can transform your circulation and energy. Spinach, the true circulation powerhouse. Now, when we talk about poor circulation, we're talking about that frustrating feeling of heaviness or a persistent coldness in your hands and feet. Spinach offers a powerful natural solution because it's packed with dietary nitrates. Your body cleverly converts these nitrates into a molecule called nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as a key that unlocks your blood vessels, signaling them to relax and widen. This improves blood flow to every part of your body, ensuring a rich supply of oxygen and nutrients reaches your muscles, especially in the areas that matter most for strength and confidence. Whether you toss it in a smoothie, wilt it into an omelet, or enjoy it fresh in a salad, spinach is a simple way to support your circulation every morning. To put its power into perspective, just 2 cups of raw spinach can deliver over 800 milligrams of nitrates. That's more than double what you'd get from kale and over 5 times as much as romaine lettuce. This significant difference means spinach gives you a much more potent dose of the very compound your body needs. Let me share Robert's story. At 62, he was a retired teacher who loved being active, but he started feeling a heavy soreness in his legs and a deep fatigue by noon. He told me it felt like walking through wet cement, and it kept him from enjoying those cherished daily walks with his wife. His confidence faded as he defaulted to the same breakfast, sugary cereal and white toast, believing his tiredness was just an inevitable part of aging. But after a consultation, he learned his symptoms were linked directly to poor circulation, not just getting older. His blood vessels had become less flexible, struggling to deliver oxygen-rich blood to his muscles. The quick energy from processed carbs was a temporary fix that led to a crash. He needed specific nutrients that would work to keep his vascular system healthy and open. Here's the science. When you eat nitrate-rich foods like spinach, bacteria in your saliva convert those nitrates into nitrites. In your stomach, those nitrites become nitric oxide, which then signals your arteries to relax and widen. This process is essential for healthy blood flow, especially as we age. Why? Because our natural nitric oxide production can decline significantly from our younger years, making dietary sources like spinach absolutely critical to pick up the slack. Spinach is one of the most concentrated sources of dietary nitrates in the grocery store. Just a single serving can make a real difference in your daily circulation and energy. By adding spinach to his breakfast, Robert gave his body the raw materials it needed to restore healthy blood flow. Within weeks, the wet cement feeling in his legs vanished. He felt lighter, more energetic, and was not only joining his wife on their walks, but suggesting they go a little further. He was ready to enjoy life again. You don't have to be Popeye to benefit from spinach. Its real power is in supporting the vast network of your circulatory system, not just building muscle. Here's a practical tip. Blend 2 cups of fresh spinach with half a banana and a handful of frozen berries for a delicious smoothie. The fruit completely masks any green taste. Or wilt a large handful into your morning omelet. The heat won't destroy the nitrates, so you get the benefits either way. You can also use frozen spinach, which is just as nutritious. This simple addition to your breakfast is a powerful way to wake up your blood vessels and set the stage for a day of improved energy and circulation. Another patient, Harold, 67, felt weighed down and disconnected from his body. He wanted to be an active grandfather, but lacked the stamina to keep up, often watching from his armchair. On my advice, Harold started adding a spinach smoothie to his breakfast every morning. After 3 weeks, he felt the lead weights lift from his legs and found himself chasing his grandkids with renewed energy. He was no longer a spectator. Spinach is affordable, easy to find, and doesn't require a prescription. It's a natural tool that works your body's nitric oxide system to restore healthy blood flow and confidence. A small change to your morning can lead to a profound change in your life. 1. Greek yogurt with berries. Let's explore a breakfast that's as delicious as it is beneficial. A simple meal that powerfully supports both your gut health and your circulation. Greek yogurt with berries is more than just a tasty breakfast. It's a powerful way to nurture your gut, which directly supports healthy blood flow. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that influence everything from digestion to inflammation. When you feed these good bacteria, they produce beneficial compounds that lower systemic inflammation. This sets off a positive chain reaction, improving your energy, bolstering your immune system, and helping your blood vessels stay flexible and healthy. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, live beneficial bacteria that help restore balance in your gut. These probiotics strengthen your intestinal lining, preventing toxins from entering the bloodstream and causing inflammation that can harm your arteries. By calming this inflammation, your body becomes far more efficient at absorbing circulation-boosting nutrients from other foods, like the nitrates in leafy greens. Berries, meanwhile, are loaded with anthocyanins, the antioxidants that give them their vibrant colors. These compounds help relax blood vessels by enhancing your body's production of nitric oxide, a molecule that widens arteries to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Plus, berries are rich in fiber. which feeds the very probiotics in the yogurt, creating a perfect partnership for your gut and circulatory health. Let me share Martin's story. At 64, his usual breakfast of buttered toast and coffee left him feeling sluggish and heavy. After switching to a bowl of Greek yogurt and blueberries, he noticed more energy in the mornings and lighter legs during his afternoon walks. He even found he could keep up with his grandkids at the park without feeling winded, a joy he thought was behind him. Then there's Samuel, 70, who struggled for years with bloating and fatigue. He began eating Greek yogurt with mixed berries every morning. Within a month, his digestion improved, the bloated feeling disappeared, and his blood pressure dropped by 7 points, much to his doctor's delight. He was surprised that this simple breakfast kept him full and satisfied until lunch, becoming the cornerstone of his energetic lifestyle. To make this breakfast, choose 1 cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. Add half a cup of mixed berries, fresh or frozen are both great. For an extra boost, sprinkle with a tablespoon of ground flax seeds and a handful of walnuts. This combination will keep you full, energized, and support your gut and circulation all morning long. 3. Avocado, the morning healthy fat booster. Now let's talk about another green food. Creamy, delicious, and often underestimated. Avocado is a true powerhouse for men over 60. Some call it fancy guacamole, but avocado deserves much more credit. Its healthy fats and potassium help keep your blood vessels flexible, supporting steady circulation and lasting energy. In fact, research shows that eating avocado just twice a week can lower your risk of heart disease by 16%. That's a simple change with a big impact. Here's a quick breakfast idea. Spread half an avocado on whole grain toast, add a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of chili flakes. Pair it with a slice of orange to boost vitamin C absorption. Frank, 59, used to laugh at avocado, calling it expensive green butter. But after adding half an avocado to his breakfast each day, he noticed springier legs, more energy, and a brighter mood. David, 65, struggled with low stamina and high cholesterol. He swapped processed spreads for avocado 3 mornings a week. After 2 months, he felt lighter, more active, and his cholesterol numbers improved. Better circulation doesn't just lift your blood flow, it lifts your mood and your quality of life. Morning is the perfect time for avocado. The healthy fats activate your blood vessels, and your body absorbs vitamins A, D, E, and K more easily. 4. Dark chocolate, the surprising morning circulation reset. Most people think of chocolate as a guilty pleasure, but the right kind can actually help your blood flow and energy. Dark chocolate that's at least 70% cacao is packed with flavonols, powerful plant compounds that help your blood vessels stay flexible. These flavonols boost nitric oxide, which relaxes your arteries and improves circulation, especially in the morning when your body needs it most. Try this. Enjoy 2 small squares of 85% dark chocolate with your morning coffee. It's a delicious way to support your blood flow and start your day with a boost. William, 63, used to wake up feeling stiff and sluggish. After adding dark chocolate to his breakfast, he noticed more energy, lighter legs, and a sharper mind within a week. Edward, 68, was skeptical at first. But after a month of having 1 ounce of dark chocolate each morning, his blood pressure improved, his mood lifted, and his wife noticed he was more active and confident. During sleep, your body loses antioxidants and your blood vessels can become less responsive. Dark chocolate helps restore nitric oxide and reactivates your circulation. It's more than a treat. It's a smart daily habit for better mornings. 5. Pomegranate, the royal restorer for your morning circulation. Pomegranate is a deep red fruit, treasured for centuries for its powerful health benefits. It's packed with polyphenols, especially tannins and anthocyanins, that work together to boost blood flow, especially to the areas where men need it most. These natural compounds help relax and widen your blood vessels, supporting healthy circulation and delivering more oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. The result? More energy, better stamina, and a renewed sense of vitality. The easiest way to enjoy pomegranate is to add a handful of seeds to your morning yogurt or oatmeal, or simply drink half a glass of pure pomegranate juice with breakfast. James, 71, used to feel tired, cold, and low on confidence. After adding pomegranate to his mornings, he noticed more warmth in his hands and feet, clearer thinking, and steady stamina. He told me, "It feels like I got part of myself back." Martha, who supported her husband through circulation issues, made pomegranate juice their daily ritual. Both felt stronger, warmer, and more energized, ready to enjoy life together. The real magic happens when you bring all 5 of these foods together. Each one supports your health in a unique way, but together, they create a powerful synergy that multiplies their benefits. Think of it as building a team. Each food plays a special role, and when combined, they help your body work at its best. For example, Greek yogurt helps your body absorb the nitrates from spinach more efficiently. The vitamin C in berries boosts the power of dark chocolate's flavonols. Healthy fats from avocado make it easier for your body to use the polyphenols in pomegranate. When you eat these foods together, you're giving your body the tools it needs to support strong circulation, steady energy, and lasting confidence. Many seniors who make this morning routine a habit notice more warmth in their hands and feet, better energy, and even clearer thinking. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Each morning you choose these foods, you're investing in your health and independence. Remember, the first hour after you wake up is a powerful window for your circulation and energy. What you eat shapes how you feel for the rest of the day. Age isn't the problem. Ignoring your body's needs is. 6 months from now, you'll be glad you started today. This is your invitation to take control. One food, one morning, one better day at a time. You're not alone. Our community is here to support you. Let's build strength and confidence together. If you found this helpful, remember to subscribe for more health tips, and let us know in the comments which of these 5 foods you're most excited to try. Together, we can make every morning a step toward better health.